The belly fat struggle. Are you in the fight of your life? Tired of that stubborn belly fat? Losing it can feel like an uphill battle, but you are not alone. Millions struggle with belly fat, and there is hope. This is your year to win the fight and reclaim your health. In 2024, we're taking fitness to a whole new level. It's time to ditch outdated methods and embrace high-intensity exercises designed to torch calories and melt away that stubborn belly fat. High-intensity exercise is your secret weapon against belly fat. It pushes your body to its limits, igniting your metabolism and accelerating fat burning. Unlike traditional cardio, high-intensity exercises deliver maximum results in minimal time. Short, explosive bursts target multiple muscle groups, creating an afterburn effect that keeps your metabolism revved up. Instead of plodding along on the elliptical, engage in high-intensity intervals with intense effort and brief recovery periods. Your heart rate soars, muscles burn, and you feel an incredible surge of energy. These workouts build lean muscle mass, enhancing your metabolism and giving you a toned physique. High-intensity exercise is also a powerful stress reliever, boosting your mood and leaving you feeling energized. Start gradually, listen to your body, and seek guidance from a certified personal trainer if needed. We're getting real about the challenges of banishing belly fat. One common trap is falling for fad diets and quick fixes. These may promise rapid weight loss, but they're often unsustainable and can harm your health. Sustainable belly fat loss requires a holistic approach, combining healthy eating habits with regular exercise. Another challenge is the misconception of spot reduction. You can't target belly fat alone. Crunches strengthen your core, but won't magically melt away fat from your midsection. Focus on overall body fat reduction through cardio, strength training, and a balanced diet. It's about creating a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume. Staying motivated and sticking to a workout routine can be tough. Find activities you enjoy and make them a non-negotiable part of your schedule. Set realistic goals, celebrate progress, and switch things up to keep workouts exciting. Remember, everyone's body is different. Listen to your body, honor your limits, and adjust your approach as needed. Ready to fire up your core and melt away that stubborn belly fat? Let's get down to business with some high-intensity exercises. First up, burpees. The ultimate full-body blast, combining squats, push-ups, and explosive jumps. Burpees target your core, chest, shoulders, legs, and glutes, burning calories and building muscle. Next, mountain climber, a dynamic exercise engaging your core, arms, and legs. Mountain climbers elevate your heart rate, torch calories, and sculpt your abs. For an added challenge, try cross-body mountain climbers to engage your obliques. Jump squats, an explosive variation of the classic squat, targeting your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. And for a killer core challenge, plank jacks, a dynamic plank variation, adding a cardio element to your core workout. These exercises, combined with a healthy diet and consistent effort, will have you well on your way to a flatter, firmer stomach. You've got the tools. Now it's time to unleash your inner warrior and conquer that belly fat. Remember, consistency is key. Make these high-intensity exercises a regular part of your routine, aiming for at least 3 to 4 sessions per week. But don't forget about rest and recovery. Give your body time to rebuild and repair with rest days between workouts. Technique is paramount for maximizing results and preventing injury. Focus on proper form, engaging your core, and controlling your movements. This journey is about more than just losing belly fat. It's about transforming your body and mind from the inside out. Embrace the challenge, push your limits, and celebrate every victory along the way. Let's inspire and motivate each other to achieve our fitness goals together. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring videos.